So you guys aren't gonna believe what just happened to me. Crap, stupid fog. So I'm on my way home from a 12-hour shift, and my freaking serpentine belt breaks on me. Crap. So my car's stuck at Walmart, and I gotta go fix this bull crap. So I don't have to borrow a car or find a ride to work. What am I looking for? Is there a 10? Of course it's not a 10. No 10 in here. Walk window lead. Take that. I need the battery. Not a fat part of this whole thing. And sockets. And take a wrench. And some wrenches. I think I can fix it with that. And I'll take a screwdriver. Let's see. Take Phillips. And flag. That should be good. Alright, let's see if I can fix my stupid car so I can get home. Well, I'm home, but that's because I caught a ride. But yeah, you know what I mean. So I got the serpentine belt from O'Reilly's. I guess today I'm gonna see how well I do at repairing stuff instead of, as opposed to like modifying stuff. How fast you think I can fix this?
Is that a girl, dog?
I don't know. It's random. It just came out. Well, yeah, it's a girl.
Oh no!
Let's just go. Come on, man. I'm stuck.
No.
Stuck at Walmart. Hurry up. See how all that coolant got everywhere? I don't know where none of that came from. Because there's no holes in any.
Camera's not focusing.
There's no holes in any. I take it back. Nothing's leaking. I thought there was coolant in this thing. I guess not. So yeah, I don't know where the coolant is, but I'm gonna have to go get some more of that. Hopefully they got that in Walmart. Still, that cap doesn't want to come off. Okay, so it can stay on. But for now, let's just change the serpentine belt, I guess. Come on. Let's do that one. Get this completely out of the way. What are you pointing at? Okay.
I'm a little discombobulated today.
Well, that's no use to me.
Shut up.
There's a dead animal down in here.
What is it? No, it isn't.
Yes, it was. There's a piece of dead animal down in there.
You need to do something about it.
There's another piece of it. I might be taking your car to work tomorrow. I don't know what else to do. But I can change this belt while I'm here. Alright. I'm gonna have to pull up a belt diagram. I just had it pulled up on my phone. I gotta pull it back up. I've never done this on this car before, so I don't know which one is which. Well, I do know mostly which one is which. I just don't know which one the tensioner is. It's gotta be that one. And I think that is, what is that? 12? 16? Definitely too big.
I know this still probably isn't really the time to say this, but I guess it's better that this happened right out here instead of on your road.
It didn't happen right out here. It happened on the street. It happened all the way back on the interstate. And I just happened to make it all the way back here before the belt just came completely off and everything went haywire.
Okay, well.
What are you looking at?
Yeah, you heard what happened. I'm looking at you.
That's the tensioner right there. So you gotta loosen that. Wait. I think it's reverse threaded. There we go. There it goes. That's the tensioner right there. You're not looking at nothing.
It is. It's the camera is focusing on it right now.
Yeah, really.
You got to check out my car too, because I don't know what's wrong with it.
I didn't hear nothing when I was in there.
Well, you have to drive it and you'll know what I'm talking about.
We'll worry about that when mine actually drives again. And when you mean me, you mean we.
What? No, I really mean you.
You mean we.
No,
You need to learn how to work on your stuff too.
Well,
crap, I'm gonna have to take these covers off because they are in the way.
we are at Walmart, by the way. This is what our Walmart looks like.
Just like any other Walmart in the world. Or in the US anyway. Same thing.
Whatever.
These little covers gotta come off.
What would you do without me filming for you?
Bring my tripod and it would probably work a lot better than you would. It'd be more awkward setting up a freaking tripod in the Walmart parking lot, but
Well, you better choose your next words wisely, because I can just drive off and go home.
but you won't.
Don't tempt me, please.
You won't do that. Because my get back will be 10 times as worse. It's bad. Everything is still hot. I'm trying to get this done fast and go home and figure out where this coolant's coming from. If I messed up a coolant hose, that's not good. Ow, ow, ow.
Baby, you got a name for your car?
No. It's my car, that's it. I'm not TJ Hunt. I don't name my cars. It's an inanimate object. It's okay. It's not that serious. Alright, belt diagram.
Where's all this traffic coming from today?
It's Walmart. There's always lots of traffic.
But today it just seems really like a lot of people.
It's Walmart.
I hope you don't ask me to turn nothing, because I just got my nails done like 2 days ago.
If you have to turn something, you just have to turn something.
No.
Is your nails more important than me getting back home?
Yes.
Or getting to work tomorrow?
You can just take my car.
I'm not leaving my car out here. I ain't getting it towed neither.
Well, I don't know what you want me to do about that.
Woman, I swear to God.
He always thinks something is so simple. Until I'm not here, then he just needs me for everything.
I don't need you for everything. I want you for most things.
He needs.
Want. It's a difference. I'm cutting all this out of the video.
No. These people need to know.
That'll be the right freaking belt. This isn't that hard. It's just hot in here still. My back. My back. Come on.
He needs some milk.
You always need like that little extra 1/8 of an inch that you can't quite get without like some serious muscle grease, or what they call it, elbow grease. Elbow grease, that's it. Ah, and this pulley's hot. This is just what I needed after a 12-hour day at work. Gotta go back and do it all over again tomorrow. At least them checks are nice, but man, I would rather be in the bed right now. Crap, am I loosening it? Righty tight, there we go. Here we go. that's one issue down. Now I gotta figure out this coolant issue. Plus the car is gonna overheat as soon as I try to drive it. I work like an hour away from my house, so that's gonna need to be figured out. Does Walmart sell coolant? They should. They sell like oil and washer fluid. They gotta sell coolant too. This thing is empty.
You asking the wrong person about some coolant. If you wanted to ask me about a vacuum cleaner or something, okay, I know something about that. And
if you know something about that, then why you always have a problem with cleaning up the house?
What? Do not get on here and flex for these people. No.
Like you got an issue with cleaning up.
I have a problem with you not cleaning up.
Get that for the folks gonna get me for littering. I need to replace this. Like something aftermarket. What you think?
What?
Never mind.
It look like you need another one of those, whatever that is.
They can't help it. Well, like I was saying, I need an aftermarket one.
And he just knew he was going to be on camera, I guess.
If he so big and bad, why don't he come over here and help me turn this wrench? That'd be nice. He obviously knows how to. Probably better than me. Put this air box, air proof. Ouch.
Yeah, why don't he bring that right on back up this way?
Come on, get on there. I need a cold air intake. You got me?
Nah.
You ordering it for me?
Nah,
appreciate it. Thank you.
Nah. You already ordered about 6 other car parts. Like,
I don't know about that yet. Thanks for making my vlog interesting, I guess. Oh, my back. Why does this car gotta be so freaking low?
so this guy just literally came down to Walmart to be seen, I guess.
Yeah. look at
This man is leaving.
He rolled down the hill and came through the parking lot, went around one time, like literally drove around me and then left. I wish I had time like that to spare. Yeah, cold air intake next on the list.
Yeah, how much is that?
About $250. That ain't that much at all. I could just get a turbo and spend $3 grand.
No. He's not getting no more car parts without being on.
That's what your mouth say.
He ain't getting nothing else.
Watch.
Not without consenting me first.
Woo! If the president himself came down here from the White House and said, Chandler, oh, if he said, Chandler, wipe that toothpaste to the side, don't buy any more car parts, and you can have $1 million right now. I'll write the check. I tell that man to kick rocks. Ow, ow! Shout out to Kayla for coming and saved me. Well, I saved me, but you have saved me. I did all the real work, but thank you anyway. You can't even put the dipstick, fluid pop up in there. It always comes out of that. Crap! Hey, give me a vlog kiss. Alright, you gonna follow me home, make sure everything's good? Yeah, you gotta follow. You don't have a choice. You gotta follow me home. I would do it for you.
No, he wouldn't.
Yes, I would. All the times I done came and helped you and saved your life. Come on in, woman. I'll end this video at home. Okay, so forgive my dumbness. I guess I'm not really dumb. I just didn't really know. But that coolant, that all came from the coolant overflow tank. That's what that was, and that's why the level of it went down as the car cooled off. So as the car, when the belt broke and the car was getting hotter and hotter, coolant was overflowing into that tank to where it eventually shot out of that little hole where the hose goes into. So that's where all the coolant came from. I'm not sure how much I lost. I might need to top it up at some point, but as of right now, I made it home safely. I'm back in the garage. So yeah, so all that really needed to be replaced was the belt. There was no cracked hoses, nothing was broke from the belt whipping around inside the engine bay. So it's fixed, disaster averted. Now I can get up and I can go to sleep in, like, what time is it? It's 8:42, so I gotta be in bed in like an hour to get up at like 4:30 and go to work tomorrow. But shout out to Kayla for coming to help me out and helping me, well, not helping me fix the car, but, well, yeah, she drove me to go get the belt and go get my tools so I could fix the car. So thank you for that, because I know you're watching this. That's her messaging me right now. So yeah, changed the serpentine belt on my car in a parking lot. I knew something like this would happen eventually, but it finally happened. It happened in the perfect spot too, so I could drive right into Walmart and fix it. But yeah, I'm gonna end this video right here. It's kind of random, just kind of happened out of nowhere, but peace out. See you guys next time.